Well, what do we think, y'all? We're gonna give this a go. She's running around here somewhere. I don't know where she's at, but I guess that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get our 14-foot trampoline together. Oh, there she comes.
Get the neighbors.
What are you doing over there? Thanks for all the help.
I'm ready.
Alright, so this video obviously wasn't a how-to video. We didn't stop and show you how to do it, but the springs were pretty hard. They got this tool, it's got like a hook on it, and when you pull the spring, it puts it in, and it got to the point where she couldn't do them anymore, and she had to just hang them there, and I pulled them tight. But they're pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna have some fun on it, and so you gonna say bye to the people?
Bye, and subscribe to some of our videos.
And subscribe to some of our videos, not all of them.
Oh,
Just subscribe to us and watch our videos. How about that?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thanks for watching, y'all.
Bye.
Peace.
Peace.